Hey everyone, an intelligent, versatile urban e-bike that has undergone extensive refinement since its prototype debut is the ADO Air 30 Ultra. This bike, which was first released earlier this year, has since been modified to provide an even smoother ride, partly because of careful adjustments made to the mechanical setup and software. The Air 30 Ultra's distinctive feature is its automated 3-speed gearbox, which smoothly adapts to your riding speed. This technology, which is powered by a specially designed 250-watt motor that was created in partnership with Bafang, combines with a carbon belt drive and a responsive torque sensor to produce a remarkably smooth and user-friendly ride. Frame is available in small and big sizes and is made of a sturdy aluminum alloy. It's not the lightest choice available, weighing 26 kilograms with attachments, but its comfort and functionality make up for it. Although ADO claims a maximum range of 62 miles, actual testing conducted in colder winter circumstances produced a range of roughly 34 miles in sport mode. That figure rose to about 38 miles in warmer summer weather. It was still below the maximum claim, but realistic considering the weight of the cargo, the terrain, and the help level. ADO Air 30 Ultra has GPS tracking, an automated sensor headlamp, a 3.5-inch centrally located display, and hydraulic disc brakes. The seat post's integrated suspension reduces road vibrations and enhances comfort, especially on rougher or longer journeys. The new handlebar's ability to be height adjustable is a great enhancement. This minor but important adjustment improves cyclists' posture and lessens back pain. The first gear shifts into second at around 8 miles per hour, and second into third at about 12 miles per hour. The automatic shifting is smooth and responds consistently. The bike can cruise effectively at its limited assist speed of 15.5 miles per hour on flat terrain thanks to its revised gearing, which provides a pleasant cadence without making riders feel like they're struggling against the drivetrain. The improved gear ratios are very impressive when climbing hills. Because the bike stays in the lower speeds for longer, climbing becomes simpler without requiring the rider to shift into a challenging third gear halfway up an incline. The torque-based assist offers sufficient push to manage modest climbs without causing undue strain on the legs, even while in environmental mode. Both on pavement and mild off-road tracks, the broad handlebars and high-traction tires provide a responsive and steady ride. The companion app has received another pleasant update. It used to be a bit of a chore to connect to the app, but now it does it effortlessly. In practical applications, the ADO Air 30 Ultra demonstrates exceptional capabilities as a commuter bike. It works especially well in flat cities or mixed urban settings where smooth power distribution and automated gears are more important than extensive gearing options or sheer torque. Its weight, which could be a bother if you have to carry it upstairs, and a little resistance when pushing above the assist limit in top gear are its only significant disadvantages. Although the bike costs $1,999, it offers a high-end experience that may readily take the place of a car or public transportation for everyday use. It seems like a wise purchase for anyone wishing to make the switch to electric biking as a serious form of transportation, given its feature set, build quality, and careful improvements. The ADO Air 30 Ultra is more than simply a fashionable e-bike thanks to its upgraded gearing, enhanced comfort, and smart technology. It's a bold advancement in the development of urban transportation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Have a nice day and God bless you.